Do you think you know the basic of Spanish? Let's find out. Today we have a Spanish quiz, and if you get 22 questions or more, you are on your way to speaking real Spanish. This quiz is ideal if you are a complete beginner, if you already know some Spanish, or if you just want a quick refresh. And don't miss the special challenge at the end. Are you ready? Let's go! Question 1. How do you say good morning in Spanish? Buenos días. How do you say see you tomorrow in Spanish? Hasta mañana. But don't go yet. Question 3. How do you say excuse me in Spanish? Perdón, disculpa. Question 4. How do you say I don't understand in Spanish? No entiendo. Question 5. How do you say can you repeat please in Spanish? ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? Question 6. How do you say I'm learning Spanish in Spanish? Estoy aprendiendo español. ¿Cómo vas? How are you doing? The question number 9 can confuse a lot of beginners. Let's see if you get it right. Let's continue. Question number 7. How do you say where is the bus stop in Spanish? ¿Dónde está la parada de autobús? Question 8. How do you say I need a taxi in Spanish? Necesito un taxi. Question 9. How do you say one ticket please in Spanish? Un billete, por favor. This can be confusing because billete will be for transport and entrada will be to get into places. So if you want to get to a museum, you say una entrada, por favor. Question 10. How do you say can I pay by card in Spanish? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Question 11. How do you say I'm lost in Spanish? Estoy perdido. Question 12. How do you say turn right in Spanish? Gira a la derecha. By the way, if you want to carry on learning, I have some PDFs with vocabulary and exercises very useful. You can download them in the descriptions. We got all the links there. It will help you a lot after this test. Okay, let's carry on. Question 13. How do you say what's your name in Spanish? ¿Cómo te llamas? Question 14. How do you say nice to meet you in Spanish? Mucho gusto o encantado. Question 15. How do you say where are you from in Spanish? ¿De dónde eres? Okay, question 16. Here is a tricky one. I'll give you 3 options for this question. How do you say I'm hungry in Spanish? 3 options. A. Tengo hambre. B. Tengo hombro. C. Tengo hombre. 3 segunditos. Acción correcta. Right answer is tengo hambre. I'm hungry. The explanation is hambre means hunger, hombro means shoulder, and hombre means man. Be careful, they sound very similar. Question 17. How do you say is delicious in Spanish? Está delicioso o está rico. Question 18. How do you say I'm tired in Spanish? Estoy cansado o cansada. Question 19. A little bit of listening. Listen carefully. Perdona, ¿a qué hora abre la tienda? How do you say what time does the shop open? ¿A qué hora abre la tienda? Did you hear that? Question 20. One more listening. Listen carefully. Me gusta mucho esta ciudad. How do you say I really like this city in Spanish? Me gusta mucho esta ciudad. Question 21. How do you say I'm looking for my friend in Spanish? Estoy buscando a mi amigo o amiga. Question 22. How do you say it's too expensive in Spanish? Es demasiado caro. Question 23. How do you say I need help with my homework in Spanish? Necesito ayuda con mis deberes. Question 24. How do you say I don't have cash in Spanish? No tengo efectivo. Question 25. How do you say I love this song in Spanish? Me encanta esta canción. Question 26. How do you say can you speak slower in Spanish? ¿Puedes hablar más despacio? Question 27. How do you say I'm from Spain? Soy de España. You could also say soy de Inglaterra. Question 28. How do you say I'm going to visit Valladolid in Spanish? Voy a visitar Valladolid. I know, Valladolid is a difficult one. Question 29, and we're getting there. How do you say I'm going to buy something to eat in Spanish? Voy a comprar algo de comer. Last question. Question 30. How do you say I want to improve my Spanish this year? Quiero mejorar mi español este año. Well done, enhorabuena, congratulations, you have just completed the beginner's Spanish test. ¿Cómo te ha ido? How did you do? Please write your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. Now, here is the challenge I promised at the end. Using some of the phrases from this quiz, can you write a short paragraph in Spanish? For example, you could write something like ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Pedro, soy de España, voy a visitar Valladolid. For example, practice, practice, practice. This is how you learn. I'll be checking the comments and helping you by replying to them with suggestions. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps the channel. I also have some resources on the description if you want to check them out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and if you want to carry on watching videos, check this out. Adiós!